everyone, it's Casey here, and today we're going to talk about a very gross topic, intestinal parasites. Sometimes we just call them intestinal worms. These are very common in dogs and cats. In fact, some types of worms can be passed from dog or cat to person. If you have any questions, make sure you contact your veterinarian, and this video will provide some information about how worms or intestinal parasites can affect your dog or cat.
At some point in their lives, most cats and dogs are infected with some type of intestinal parasite. Puppies and kittens often have parasitic worms that have been passed to them from their mothers. The most common parasitic worms include roundworms, hookworms, whipworms, and tapeworms. A cat or dog can become infected with roundworms, hookworms, and whipworms when the worm's larvae are ingested from contaminated soil. Hookworms can also penetrate your pet's skin and then travel to the intestines. Tapeworms can be contracted by ingesting fleas or small rodents. All of these worms live in their host's intestines. Hookworms attach themselves to the intestinal wall and drink the host's blood, causing internal bleeding, ulcers, and blood loss. Roundworms migrate from the intestines through the liver and lungs and then back to the intestines. They can cause vomiting, enteritis, tissue scarring, and pulmonary disease. Whipworm infection can result in bloody diarrhea, weight loss, dehydration, anemia, and in severe cases, even death. Tapeworms attach to the intestine, but rarely cause significant problems unless there are a lot of them. The egg packets can be very unpleasant to deal with when shed via the anus. Some of these worms can be passed from pets to people. Talk to your veterinarian today about how you can protect your pet and your family from these parasites.